Healthy aging is a vital concern for men as they enter their 60s and beyond. During this stage of life, the body undergoes various changes that can impact overall well-being, energy levels, and resilience. Nutrition becomes especially important, serving as a foundation for maintaining strength, cognitive function, and immune health. The right dietary choices can help manage chronic conditions, support bone and muscle health, and promote longevity. By understanding the unique nutritional needs of men over 60, it is possible to foster a higher quality of life and reduce the risk of age-related illnesses. Making informed decisions about food and nutrients is a key step toward thriving in later years. As men enter their 60s and beyond, their nutritional needs begin to shift in response to changes in metabolism, muscle mass, and overall health. Aging often brings a decrease in calorie requirements, but the need for essential nutrients such as protein, calcium, vitamin D, and fiber remains high. Maintaining muscle strength and bone density becomes increasingly important, making nutrient-rich foods a priority. Additionally, older men may face challenges such as reduced appetite, difficulty absorbing certain vitamins, and managing chronic conditions like heart disease or diabetes. These factors can complicate meal planning and require careful attention to dietary choices. Understanding these unique nutritional needs is key to supporting healthy aging and maintaining quality of life. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down, making it more challenging to maintain a healthy weight. Muscle mass also tends to decrease over time, which can further reduce metabolic rate and impact overall strength and mobility. Preserving muscle through regular physical activity and balanced nutrition helps support a more efficient metabolism. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial, as excess body fat is linked to a higher risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. By focusing on muscle health and metabolic function, individuals can improve their energy levels, support bone health, and enhance quality of life as they grow older. Achieving optimal health relies on a balanced intake of key macronutrients, protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Protein supports muscle growth and repair, while also playing a vital role in immune function. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, contribute to brain health and help regulate hormones. Complex carbohydrates, present in whole grains, vegetables, and legumes, provide sustained energy and support digestive health. Striking the right balance among these macronutrients can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, improve metabolism, and promote overall well-being. Making mindful choices about the sources and proportions of these nutrients is essential for a healthy lifestyle. As men age, their nutritional needs evolve, making certain micronutrients especially important after the age of 60. Key vitamins, such as vitamin D, B12, and C, support bone health, energy metabolism, and immune function. Minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc play crucial roles in maintaining strong bones, muscle function, and overall vitality. These nutrients can be found in foods such as leafy green vegetables, dairy products, lean meats, nuts, and fortified cereals. Regular consumption of fish provides valuable omega-3 fatty acids, while whole grains offer fiber and additional minerals. Ensuring a balanced diet rich in these essential micronutrients can help men over 60 maintain their health and well-being. Hydration plays a vital role in maintaining energy levels, supporting digestion, and promoting overall well-being, especially in older adults. As we age, our sense of thirst may diminish, making it easier to become dehydrated without realizing it. Proper hydration helps the body transport nutrients, regulate temperature, and eliminate waste, all of which contribute to feeling energetic and alert. For digestion, water aids in breaking down food and preventing constipation, a common concern among seniors. Staying hydrated can also improve cognitive function and mood, reducing feelings of fatigue and confusion. By prioritizing adequate fluid intake, older adults can enhance their physical health and quality of life. Starting your day with a nutrient-dense breakfast can help maintain energy levels and support overall well-being. Consider options like oatmeal topped with fresh berries and nuts, which provide a balance of complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Greek yogurt with chia seeds and sliced fruit offers protein and fiber to keep you feeling full longer. Whole grain toast with avocado and poached eggs delivers essential vitamins and minerals along with sustained energy. For those on the go, a smoothie made with leafy greens, banana, and nut butter is both convenient and nourishing. Choosing breakfasts rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. When planning a lunch that supports both muscle maintenance and heart health, it's important to focus on balance and nutrient-rich ingredients. Consider a grilled chicken salad with a variety of leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of seeds for added protein and healthy fats. Whole grain wraps filled with lean turkey, avocado, and fresh vegetables provide fiber and essential nutrients. For a plant-based option, a quinoa bowl with black beans, roasted vegetables, and a drizzle of olive oil offers a complete protein and heart-healthy fats. Including a serving of fruit, such as berries or an apple, can round out the meal and add antioxidants. These choices help sustain energy, promote muscle recovery, and contribute to overall cardiovascular wellness. Choosing the right dinner can make a significant difference in how well you sleep and recover overnight. Opt for light yet satisfying dishes that are easy to digest, such as grilled fish paired with steamed vegetables or a quinoa salad with leafy greens and lean protein. Soups made from seasonal vegetables and legumes also offer warmth and nourishment without being heavy. Incorporating foods rich in magnesium, like spinach or pumpkin seeds, can help relax muscles and promote restful sleep. Avoid overly spicy or fatty meals, as these can disrupt digestion and make it harder to unwind. By selecting balanced, nutrient-dense options, you support your body's natural recovery processes and set the stage for a peaceful night. Choosing healthy snacks is a simple yet effective way to manage hunger and maintain energy levels throughout the day. Opting for nutrient-rich options like fresh fruits, nuts, yogurt, or whole grain crackers can help stabilize blood sugar and keep your metabolism active. These snacks provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting overall wellness without excess calories. Avoiding processed foods and sugary treats reduces the risk of energy crashes and supports long-term health. By making smart snack choices, you can satisfy cravings while contributing to a balanced diet and sustained vitality. When aiming for longevity, it's important to pay close attention to certain foods that can negatively impact your health. High sodium items, such as processed snacks and canned soups, can contribute to elevated blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Added sugars, often found in sodas, desserts, and sweetened cereals, may lead to weight gain and raise the likelihood of developing diabetes. Unhealthy fats, particularly trans fats and excessive saturated fats found in fried foods and some baked goods, can harm your cardiovascular system. By limiting or avoiding these foods, you support better overall health and lay the foundation for a longer, more vibrant life. Effective meal planning begins with selecting recipes that suit your schedule and dietary needs. Start by preparing a shopping list based on your chosen meals, ensuring you have all necessary ingredients on hand. When cooking, consider making larger batches so you can portion meals into individual containers for easy grab-and-go options throughout the week. Use airtight containers to store meals in the refrigerator or freezer, which helps maintain freshness and prevents spoilage. Label each container with the date and contents to keep track of what you have. By organizing your meals in advance, you save time and reduce food waste, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits. Physical activity plays a crucial role in achieving fitness and building lean muscle. When combined with a balanced diet, exercise helps the body utilize nutrients more efficiently, supporting muscle growth and recovery. Consuming adequate protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates provides the energy and building blocks needed for effective workouts. Regular exercise, such as strength training and cardio, stimulates muscle development and improves overall health. Together, diet and physical activity create a synergy that enhances metabolism, promotes fat loss, and increases strength. By aligning nutrition with an active lifestyle, individuals can optimize their fitness results and maintain lean muscle over time. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially when faced with common barriers such as lack of time, fluctuating energy levels, or unexpected changes in routine. One effective strategy is to set realistic, achievable goals and break larger tasks into manageable steps. Regularly reviewing your progress can help maintain momentum and provide a sense of accomplishment. It's also important to remain flexible and adapt your approach as your needs evolve. Seeking support from friends, family, or professional networks can offer encouragement and fresh perspectives. By anticipating obstacles and planning for them, you can build resilience and stay committed to your objectives. Here is a sample one-day meal plan designed for men over 60, demonstrating how nutritional guidelines can be put into practice. Breakfast might include a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a handful of walnuts, accompanied by a glass of low-fat milk. For lunch, a grilled salmon fillet served with steamed broccoli and quinoa provides a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. An afternoon snack could consist of sliced apple with a small portion of peanut butter. Dinner may feature roasted chicken breast, sweet potatoes, and a side salad with olive oil dressing. This meal plan emphasizes whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, supporting overall health and vitality in later years. Adopting a balanced meal plan offers significant long-term benefits for healthy aging and overall quality of life. Consistent nutrition supports physical health, cognitive function, and emotional well-being as we grow older. By providing essential vitamins, minerals, and energy, a well-rounded diet helps maintain strength, mobility, and resilience against illness. Over time, these habits can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote independence. Ultimately, prioritizing balanced meals is a key factor in enjoying a vibrant, active lifestyle throughout the aging process.